Yep. So, good morning, everyone. This is confidential. This is for internal use only. It is made especially for Princetown residents. And here we go with episode one. The topic is wrong allegation number one. That is, Mr. Arun Kulkarni has made a wrong allegation, seeded this poison in residents' mind, saying that 90 lakhs rupees is missing from sinking fund. There were only few people who attended the GBM. I will show in the video. You all can witness how many people were there, who were there, and who were talking, why they were talking, and all you can correlate easily by yourself. I will show you in the video. Okay. So the false wrong allegation, which included 35 lakhs prior period adjustment, which they added with the sinking fund. The prior period adjustment is a different story again that needs a separate discussion. In my next episodes, I will be giving in detail, which is shown as a excess expenditure on the projects. 45 lakhs ineligible GST has been brought under expenses and shown as a loss. PTOA MC5 President Mr. Arun Kulkarni concluded a loss of 90 lakhs rupees verbally during the EGBM, and in the written document also he has given, where Secretary Mr. Hirematta has signed and he has shared. I will share you that as well. But while roaming around Princetown, you know it, right? Daily 10 to 20 times he roams everywhere. So verbally, he is telling 1 crore rupees is missing, exorbitantly paid to PFS and all. This topic PFS that comes in episode 2 in detail. And they shown a wrong info to the residents by saying 62% salary hike. That also comes in next episode, 62%. Now we'll focus only on this 90 lakhs rupees wrong allegation which he has made. Let me take you through a video where a resident got shocked. Even I too got shocked. Everyone have got shocked when he said 90 lakhs rupees is disappeared from a sinking fund. Of course, it's a shocking news. No one expected that. He has made a team and then they prepared very well and they wanted to frame and they wanted to defame. They wanted to frame and they wanted to defame. Let's see this video. Yes, yes, it is ridiculous, obviously, because someone coming and saying that, okay, 90 lakhs rupees is disappeared from the sinking fund, which we cannot accept. Mr. Joseph, as a resident, you have not taken that statement from him. That's the reason you have reacted to that. I understand that. Now, MOM reports shared by MC5, which is shared on 20th December 2023 during the adjourned general body meeting, which is held on 10th December 2023. On page number 4, serial number 1 and 2, which I will share it with you after this video, but I have taken the screenshot of that report and I have attached it here for your easy reference, which says 2 points. First one is total loss of 90 lakhs rupees. That's what he is referring to, and that's what he has written as well. Second one is exorbitant hike payment made to the proceed facilities services. We call it as a PFS from now onwards. This topics, as I told you, it will come in detail in the next episode. Again, I will sticking on to the main point. 90 lakhs rupees is missing from sinking fund allegation, wrong allegation which he has made. He seeded this poison in everyone's mind just to grab this power. He feels that, okay, this president of PTOA is more than president of India and all those things which you know. Now, why he has made that allegation, what I understood, okay, to win the election and to become the president for 10 years, and he wanted to reduce the maintenance cost by 5%, and we are all seeing it, we are all witnessing how he is reducing the maintenance cost. In fact, the maintenance charges are increased. He said he is going to decrease the maintenance cost, but practically it has been already increased and we have paid the extra maintenance fees also. Seeding wrong info in the residents' mind as a poison, making the groupism, dividing the society, divide and rule, dividing the unity. You remember when there was any function going on, irrespective of caste, religion, state, everyone used to join together and we danced together, we enjoyed together. We had a brotherlyhood, we had a peace, we had a liveliness in the Princeton, we had a very good environment in Princeton. With this wrong information, what he has seeded in Princeton's residents' mind, it has spoiled everything. I think people have noticed it. Now, for any function, if someone wants to go there, people what they are trying to do first? First, they try to understand who is the organizer. Is there any groupism? Is there any egoistic person? This is what you wanted, right? And every one of us have forgotten the snag list for which, from the day one of PTWC, Princeton Welfare Committee, from the day one, we fought with the builder to get the snag list done. Now everyone have forgotten it. That's a different story again. That also comes in a one another episode, snag list. More importantly, smartly, he is trying to avoid the residents' queries for not doing the maintenance, basic maintenance work by seeding this wrong information. How? Okay, in detail, let's see. I too got shocked and I too got angry that day when he made a statement saying that 90 lakhs rupees is disappeared or 90 lakhs rupees is missing from the sinking fund, which he announced during the GBM, which held on 30th September 2023 at Clubhouse. But I was confident because I have never approved to take money from the sinking fund to do any maintenance or to do any project in the Princeton. I was very much confident. But in fact, there was no such proposal has come to me when I was a president. So forget about the approval and all. Now, but I was helpless that day when he announced that okay, 90 lakhs is missing from the sinking fund because I didn't had a data handy. You will be laughing, right? Oh, you don't have a data handy and all. Hmm. But remember, no one brings the data to their home after their term gets over. You ask MC1 or MC2 before me. MC3, MC4, forget it. It's about me, right? Altogether, till this sixth MC, approximately around more than 50 people have worked together. Mr. Taditaya, Mr. Praveen Mittalji, and then Mr. Harsha, Hema Malini, Ajit Badigir, Vishalakshi, Krishna Banerjee, Raghavendra Rao, Narayan Sharai, Usha, and then Kritika, Vijay, Anand, several people, they have worked for MC, right? You ask anyone after their term gets over, did they take data, PTOA data in their laptop, or have they kept in their computer or in their personal laptop or in the official laptop? No, no one keeps. Even if you are also in the MC member place, after your term gets over, you don't take these data and keep it in your home or look at every day because already have spent your time working for the Princeton, and once it is done. That's it. The next person whoever comes in, he will be coming up with his own idea, his own strategies, his own working style. They will do it. Forget about the past. Now, current MC members, whoever you guys are working now, till now it's a seventh month, right? Honestly, you tell me, have you taken all this PTOA data with you now? Is it readily available handy? No. ऑब्वियसली नो. किसको पता था ये लोग ऐसे समाज में ऐसे विष डालने के लिए ग्रुप बना के आते हैं? किसको पता था? नहीं सोचा था हमने. Fine, you did it from your side. Good. But now people have realized. By now, I think most of the people have realized, and time will make few more people to realize slowly about your truth. I have got a video of that GBM. Now, time to replay for everything and for everyone one by one as an episodes. Okay, Mr. Arun Kulkarni's intention was to become a president. कितना bucketing करता है देखे होंगे तुमने आप लोगों ने. I understood that he used to do these tactics of saying wrong information to the residents, not only to win the election, not only to become a president for 10 years, not only to make a dictatorship, but also seeding the wrong information in the residents so that they fight within each other. They blame each other. They spoil the peace of Princeton. They spoil the brotherlyhood. They spoil the happiness, whatever that they had earlier. Divide and rule. Simple divide and rule that he has made. More importantly, his intention, what I understood is, smartly he is avoiding residents' queries for not doing the basic maintenance work. But did they prove that, okay, 90 lakhs rupees is really missing? Did he give any financial statements to all the residents or at least to the people who raised a query about us 90 lakh sinking fund missing का वो जो तुमने बोल रहा था उसका details दे दिया क्या किसी को? नहीं. We also took a lot of our time to collect all these data. He knows that people will believe lie stories. Exactly like a politician he did. People has got a short memory. He can reach his goal of becoming superpower or a CEO or a Mugambo or a kuch bhi ho, or the president more than India or whatever that he feels. His tactics was not only to win the election, but nowadays, people, you might have observed it, his tactics of saying wrong information not only to win the election, remember, his tactics was to avoid simple small queries of residents as well. I tell you with an example. Say for example, if any residents asks why water is not coming, why water bill has gone exorbitantly high, पता है आपको क्या बोलेगा वो? क्या कहा था उसने रेसिडेंट को? Oh, you are behind this small issue, water is not coming, huh? Okay. But you have forgotten that 90 lakhs rupees, वो तो तुम्हारा पुराना प्रेसिडेंट 90 lakhs rupees लेके चला गया. आप लोग उसको नहीं पूछते हो. अभी पानी नहीं आ रहा है, पानी का पूछने के लिए आ रहे हो. तो बेचारा रेसिडेंट क्या करेगा? चुपचाप चला जाएगा. If anyone asks why fountain has kept idle, not running for more than 8 to 9 months, again same story. अरे आप लोगों को ये फाउंटेन का पड़ा हुआ है, 90 लाख रुपीस गायब है सिंकिंग फंड से, उसका कोई पूछेंगे नहीं आप लोग. फिर से क्या करेगा वो बेचारा रेसिडेंट? फिर से चुपचाप चला जाएगा. इफ समवन आस्क्स, अरे एसी वर्क नहीं कर रहा है, ये एसी का ठीक करो, जिम में एसी वर्क नहीं हो रहा है, क्लब हाउस में एसी नहीं वर्क नहीं हो रहा है. सेम स्टोरी फ्रॉम द अरुण कुलकर्णी. हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है, जितना भी पैसा था 90 लाख रुपीस उड़ा के लेके गया. ये सुनने के बाद, ये 90 लाख रुपीस का फॉल्स एलिगेशन सुनने के बाद लोग क्या करता है बेचारा? फिर से चुपचाप चला गया. इसीलिए शायद ये कहावत कहा गया है, बेचारा किस्मत का मारा. Okay, but I guess now people have realized his tactics of making them fool by blaming perform team and spreading wrong info in the society. Few months before, I made a PPT and explained to you how the cash flow happens and what is the process of cash flow in the Princeton. I don't know how many of you have seen, but let me quickly take you here. See, there are three types of accounts: income account, expense account, and sinking fund account. Expense अगर करना है, जो भी हो, PT cash हो, big check हो, or big transfer हो, everything expense needs to be done from here. Okay, to do the expenses, we need a money, right? On this account, we need to transfer the money. From where? From this income account. Income account has got both maintenance money and sinking fund money. ये जो sinking fund money जो होता है, 3 महीने में एक बार या 4 महीने में एक बार, 2 महीने में एक बार, ये हमारे ट्रेजरर के मूड है from the day one. I agree. No one is prompt here by paying the sinking fund on time. The reason is no resident also paying the amount in on one time, right? I pay today, you will be paying tomorrow, someone will be paying 1 month later, someone will be paying 4 months later, someone will be having a overdue. So those are all the reasons. Now the main pointer here is what we need to understand here is, once the money comes from income account to sinking fund, It goes as a FD. It doesn't go back nowhere. Nowhere. This is what I explained clearly with a basic layman language earlier in this video. No one trusted, I guess. I mean, few trusted, I know few trusted, but he is using this as a weapon to defeat everything. That I wanted to tell you all. Summary. No money from the sinking fund has been taken to do maintenance work. Not only MC3 or MC4, no one has taken, no one can take. It's a crime. There is a rule. I am going to share that document, which is done at a PTOA meeting by MC1. If we have to take a sinking fund money, we have to take a approval in the GBM. Then, if not, then it is a crime. I tried to explain this in the last presentations, but I don't know how many of you have gone through or how many of you understood. Still, few might be having few people are in the dark, believing that his fake stories, dirty politics of spreading wrong information in the society, dividing and ruling. No problem, because I understand it during for the GBM, only few, hardly 20-25 people might have come. I will show you the video. You can see, you can figure out who and all have come, how many people have come. However, I thought to give the clarity by spending my time again, because it is our hard-earned money, isn't it, Mr. Arun? Hard-earned money. Several times you have mentioned 90 lakhs rupees missing, 90 lakhs rupees is missing. So I came up with a separate detailed episodes. I have decided to send a detailed episode subject-wise, topics-wise, one by one, to all the residents, whoever have still have kept a hope. Summary: no money from the sinking fund has taken. No one has taken. No one cannot. No one can. No one can take that money until unless they have a GBM approval. MC3 and MC4, which was headed by me. I reiterate again, we have not taken money from the sinking fund. If your allegation is true, it's not a small amount, okay? It's a 90 lakhs. Mr. Arun Kulkarni, you being a president, you have a power. Still, you have a power. You are in a power now. You have a rights. You have got a money. You have got a legal team. There is a lawyer for whom we pay, Mr. Madhu Nair, right? Ask him to file a case on me if your statement is wrong, if your statement is right. If you are saying 90 lakhs rupees is missing from the sinking fund, right? If it is true, please go and file a case on me. I am ready to take responsibility on behalf of entire MC3 and MC4. Please go and file a case on me if your statement, if your allegation is true. My kind request to the MC6 is, the new people, whoever have joined now, you are 7 months old now. You are in power. Please prioritize the quality of living here instead of spreading the hatredness, whatever that this guy has done. Please focus on the snag list, which we have already forgotten, the big snag list. And the more important thing is handing over of the STP and handing over from the builder is not yet been done. I don't know. There is no follow-up, even follow-up they have done from this team, because this team's intention, this president's intention is something really different. Leakage of the basement, you might have seen. अभी तो बारिश हो रहा है, देखो basement में जाके, for which from the day one of PTWC, every one of us fought with the builder, right, to get it done, repaired. Basement leakage, pillar issues तो वो तो छुपा दिया अभी. उसके ऊपर थोड़ा रेत डाल के, उसके ऊपर पेंटिंग डाल के वो छुपा दिया अभी. वो प्रॉब्लम ही क्लोज कर दिए. Very good. Enjoy, every one of you. See, dear new members of MC6, including Mr. Alex, the intention of paying maintenance by all of us, including you, is to get the quality of life, isn't it? It is not for the saving of money, as like what this Mr. Arun Kulkarni says, saving the money, saving the money. I don't know where he has saved the money. Where is that money has gone? It is all these are bullshits. He cannot save the money because we have that much of expenses. Every day the new expense will come. Every day you people will get a new challenge. Every day you will get a new issues from the Princetown that you need to solve. Without spending the money, how you will get it resolved? Without spending money, how you will get the quality of work? So please look into the quality. Mr. Arun Kulkarni, this statement is for you. If it's not possible to maintain the quality here by spending the money, and if it is not possible from your side to provide the quality of life, at least be a human being, man. Be a human being. Please don't spread the wrong information, wrong poison in the society by which you have already divided, by which you have already created a lot of a hatredness, killed brotherlyhood just because of this power, just because of this dirty politics. कितने साल रहेगा तू प्रेसिडेंट बन के? कितने साल जिएगा तो खुद शर्म आनी चाहिए तुझे. Okay, now I have a kind request to Mr. Secretary, Mr. Alex Punnen. Alex, you were neither with Talitaya nor with Lohit. That means neither you have worked for MC1, MC2 nor for MC3, MC4. You are a third party resident. You are like a third party resident. You are also very curious to know what happened with this 90 lakhs, whether this 90 lakhs rupees has really missing. Is this statement given by this Arun Kulkarni is true or false? By now, I think you might have done the analysis. I request you during the GBM, I want you to tell whether that 90 lakhs rupees is really missing from the sinking fund. Yes or no? If it is yes, if you also believe that 90 lakhs rupees is really missing, then I request, please go and file a case. Or tell me what is stopping you to file a case. With my experience being a president, secretary has got a most executive power, more than president, I should say. Trust me, secretary has got a more executive power. He is the one who is going to execute everything. He can do this. Or else, dear residents, this can be a query in the GBM, upcoming GBM. And this is to the residents. Only few have attended this adjourned meeting, which is held on 10th December 2023, in which Mr. Harsha, earlier treasurer, has confessed, and looking at that, Mr. Talitaya has got angry and he went out. I will show you the video in this video. He said clearly that there is no withdrawal of a sinking fund from anyone. We made only one account which takes both maintenance and sinking fund amount collection. He also said this account needs reconciliation every day, which we cannot do, and no treasurer can do this work every day because the sinking fund collection will not happen one day. Residents take their own time to make the payments. Every time, every day, every hour, we get a payments, right? Every hour, every day, we cannot do reconciliation. Thanks to you, Harsha, at least honest comment that you made. Mistake तो होता है, मगर उसको intentionally किया है या unintentionally किया है, वो थोड़ा समझना चाहिए. अगर वो सिस्टम गलत है, उसको ठीक करना चाहिए. चलो. Harsha said, finance mismanagement is being done from day one of the PTAOA. What is this finance mismanagement? In this slide I showed you, right? Income account. Maintenance का पैसा भी यहाँ पे आता है और sinking fund का भी पैसा यहाँ पे आता है. ये sinking fund का maintenance का पैसा यहाँ पे आने के बाद we have to segregate every day, every hour, which we cannot do. Once in 3 months or once in a month, treasurer, whenever he feels free, he goes and puts the money in sinking fund as a lump sum. I will share you the sinking fund statements if you have not received. I have done the analysis also in the Excel, and there is a one third party observation reports or audit report also. I will share it with you, which says there are a lot of contradictions in the submitted audit report by Mr. D.N. Joshi. That's a one more episode, and we will prove you that that report given by Joshi is biased and it is wrong. If the mismanagement process has set by you, Mr. Talitaya and then Harsha, from the day one, why the blame mentioned in the report only on MC3 and MC4? Because they wanted to hide their mistake and put blame on the MC3 and MC4? Clearly, it says that, okay, you guys have made a team and you framed us, you framed me, and you wanted to defame me and my team, whoever have worked for Princeton. हमारा घर के लिए काम नहीं किए थे हमने, हमारा घर के लिए पेंटिंग नहीं किए थे हमने, हमारा घर के लिए जिम नहीं लेके आए थे हमने. इतना समझने का बड़ा दिल नहीं है आपके पास. I have shared you the sinking fund statements here. After this, I will be sharing with you if you have not received. Also, I have done the Excel working for your easy understanding. Which month, which date, when, and how much, who has paid. Everything I have segregated in a simple Excel and I have made it very easy understanding for you in the Excel if you see. And there you can understand who has paid and who have not paid, where the money has been withdrawn from the sinking fund. No, there is no such. If you also find it, please go and support Alex to file a case against me. As I told you, I will be sharing one third-party auditor report also, which clearly says there are several contradictions with respect to the D.N. Joshi's report. He attached with his screenshots also by his audit report. Please sit with a third-party auditor and get it reviewed before trusting his fake stories. Finally, if you cannot go through with this complete video, if you cannot go through with this complete audit report, if you don't understand this audit report, if you don't understand these accounts, at least consult a auditor and give it to him and listen from him. Then you take a decision. Blindly don't trust. Or else tell that liar president to file a legal case on me. And at the end, see, date is 23rd December 2023. Okay. Talitaya this is a message from Mr. VK Talitaya. With due respect, Mr. VK Talitaya has written this message. You can read it out, what he has written. This is written in the year December 23rd December 2023. That means during MC5 time. I don't know where this GAN or enlightenment has gone, why it was not implemented by you in day one. This would have been solved all the problems. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಮಗುನ್ನ ಚೂಟೋದು ನಾವೇ, ತೂಗೋರು ನಾವೇ. People said karma will follow. Let's see whose karma will do what. If this suggestion, if you would have done in the year 2019 and if you would have implemented in your process, then Princeton would have not fall under this situation. What did you achieve by doing all this? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇ. जो पीटी के लिए काम किया था उसका नाम बदनाम करना चाहते थे आप, बस वही किए. आप सोचते होंगे हमारा नाम बदनाम किए, हमको डिफीट किए, क्रैकर्स बस्ट किए, सेलिब्रेट किए, पार्टी किए. वेरी गुड, थैंक यू. इनफैक्ट वो हारने से, वहां से बाहर आने के बाद हमारा बहुत अच्छा हुआ लाइफ में, करियर में. इनफैक्ट आई डोंट वांट टू डिस्क्लोज दैट बिकॉज आपका बुरा नजर भी इस पे आ जाएगा. आई डोंट वांट टू टेल दोस थिंग टू विथ यू. मगर क्या मिला तुमको ऐसा करने के बाद? कितना लाइवली था प्रिंसटन. कितना खुश था प्रिंसटन। 90 लाख रुपीस गायब हो गया, 41 लाख रुपीस गायब हो गया। क्या क्या काम किए थे, कभी एक बार किसी को बोला आपने? आपके टीम के लिए बोला आपने? आपका कंसल्टेशन लेते थे हम। बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट किए थे, पता है? That will come in the next videos, next episodes in detail. Thank you, residents. Just to respect the time, let me finish it here, and I will be sharing all the details. Please go through with it, and I leave it to your consciousness to take the call. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Bye bye.